to my channel. So I'm gonna pick S Max. For S, going to dikit upside down siya, naka-upside down. Then siya may taas. And next is S. Also the sun next too. And this is the S in over here. And it's this blue, and I will put it here beside the small S with a sun. And now I'm gonna put the sun on it. And it's gonna go over here.
N D R D na, go. R A R A A. Okay, and then big letter A dito, hiwalay. A I dahan lang. I small I, tuldok. S H L small L E, dalawang E N.
Parang 9 naman ito.
Okay lang yan. N small N. Okay, big letter A. Big letter A. And tuldok.
Wala pa.
C. Sabi mo, big letter C. C. A. R. A. S. Very good.
Oh,